In this tutorial, we are going to discuss positive forms, negative forms, general question, special questions, and examples. Let's get started with positive forms. The general formula for passive voice is to be plus the third form or the verb with the ending ed. Let's take a look at simple group. The formula for present simple is am is are plus the third form I am, he she it is, we you they are. The formula for past simple is was were plus the third form I, he, she, it was, we, you, they were. The formula for future simple is will be plus the third form I, he, she, it, we, you, they will be plus the third form. Continuous. We have only two forms of continuous: passive, present continuous passive, and past continuous passive. So the formula for present continuous passive is am is are plus being plus the third form. And the formula for past continuous passive is was, were plus being plus the third form. Pay attention, the feature of the continuous formula is being. If we compare, the only difference is going to be this part being. It doesn't exist in future. Let's go to perfect group. Present perfect, have, has plus been plus the third form. Past perfect, had, been plus the third form, and future perfect will have been plus the third form. So again, if you compare with simple group, the only difference is this third element been. Passive forms don't exist in the fourth group. Next, negative constructions. Negative forms. The only thing you need to do, you need to take not and insert between to be and the third form. In simple group, am is are not plus the third form. Past simple, was were plus not plus the third form. And future will not plus be plus the third form. Continuous. The same story, just insert not after to be. I am not being plus the third form. He's not being plus the third form. We, you, they are not being plus the third form. And past continuous passive, I, he, she, it was not being plus the third form. We, you, they were not being plus the third form. And the third group is he, she, it has not been plus the third form. I, we, you, they have not been plus the third form. Past perfect, I, we, you, they, he, she, it had not been plus the third form. And future perfect, I, we, you, they, he, she, it will not have been plus the third form. Next, general question. To make general question is easy. You just take to be or the first element and place it in the beginning. Am I, is she, are we, present simple. Past simple, was, were in the beginning. Future, will in the beginning. Continuous forms, the same situation. Am is are in the beginning, was, were in the beginning for past continuous. Perfect group, have, has in the beginning, had for past perfect, will for future perfect. How to make special questions with passive constructions. Remember how we made general question. So imagine that you see general question, and then if you need to make a special question, you just insert a special question in the beginning like this. I just put the question, I place the question in front at the beginning of my question before the first element. You can find this file under the description box where you will see all these formulas and examples. Let's get straight to the examples. I'm never painted. He is seldom painted. We are sometimes painted. So the position is subject to be, your frequency, and the verb in the third form. Past simple. I was painted yesterday. We were painted last week. Future simple. I will be painted tomorrow, or it will be painted next season. Continuous. Present continuous. I'm being painted now. He is being painted at this moment. We are being painted nowadays. Past continuous. I was being painted at 6 yesterday. We were being painted from 8 to 9. Perfect group. He has been painted since summer. I have been painted already. Past perfect. I had been painted before 5 p.m. or he had been painted by 4 a.m. Future perfect. I will have been painted by 5 p.m. tomorrow. Yeah, we have here 4 elements. We will have been painted before they arrive. So again, what we refresh today is passive voice and all the formulas in passive voice. In my description box, you'll find the PDF file where you'll see positive formulas, negative formulas, general questions, and special questions with examples. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and keep practicing. Thank you.